Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I will be doing a bike check.
This is my new Mondraker Foxy 27.5 in a size large. Firstly, a Shimano XT 1x9 drivetrain, DT Swiss 1900 rims, a SR Centaur iron fork, Mondraker bars, Bergtech grips and SRAM level T brakes, a RockShox Monarch shock, a Bergtech saddle and seat post, Maxxis high roller front and back, and lastly DMR V8s.
Hi guys, thanks for watching this video of my bike check. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.